There is a completely free alternative to Microsoft Office that most people simply do not know about. It is called Apache OpenOffice, and in this video, I will walk you through downloading and installing it on Windows 10. So, to get Apache OpenOffice on your Windows 10 machine, start by opening whichever browser you prefer. In the search box, type Apache OpenOffice and press Enter. From the results, go ahead and click on the first link from openoffice.org, that is the official site for getting installer. Once you are there, look for this download section, then click on that. On the download page, the site will automatically detect the operating system you are running. In my case, Windows is already selected along with the latest version, so no changes needed here. So, when you are ready, click Download Full Installation button. Once you click that, you will be redirected to SourceForge and the download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so just be patient and let it finish. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Then, double-click on it to begin the installation process. A welcome window will appear. Simply click Next to continue. A window will appear asking where to unpack the files. Unless you have a specific preference, the default desktop path works just fine, so I will go ahead and click Unpack button. Once unpacking is done, the installation wizard will open with a welcome screen. So, click on Next to continue. Do not worry too much about this part, it is just a few basic information fields. Fill them in if you want, or leave them and move on. You can also choose whether this application will be available only to you or to anyone who uses the computer. I will select anyone who uses this computer and click Next button. For the setup type, I strongly recommend selecting a typical. It installs everything you need without any unnecessary extras. Click Next to continue. If you would like a desktop shortcut to be created automatically, make sure this box is checked, then click Install. The installation will now begin. Just wait for it to finish. Once it is done, you will notice the shortcut has been added to your desktop. So, click Finish to close the installation wizard. The application will ask you to restart your computer to apply the changes. Click Yes to confirm. After your computer restarts, you can safely delete the unpacked folder that was created on your desktop. It is no longer needed. To launch OpenOffice, you can right-click the desktop shortcut and select Open. Or you can click on the Windows search box, type OpenOffice, and select it from the results. When OpenOffice opens for the first time, a short setup wizard will appear. Click Next, enter your name in the provided field, and then click Finish. Alright, OpenOffice is ready to use. From writing documents to building spreadsheets and creating presentations, everything you need is right here. Take a moment to explore. You might be surprised by how much this free tool can do.